Jeez, alright. Are we deciding who goes first, or?
Odds or evens?
Even.
Even.
I will go first.
Alright. That's fine.
5 back?
Nani? I'll send 2 back. Ooh.
I don't like this.
I like this. I like this a lot. I'm just literally missing 1 card. What? Stand up.
Alright. Stand up.
The
Vanguard. Chronojet.
Bermuda, Cardfight Riviere.
Draw for turn. Ride Tick Away Dragon. Draw off of starter, pass turn.
Draw. Clear. Top 7. And I drew. I draw it to her. Perfect. That's superior, right? Let's grab her. Come on, matey luck. Superior, right? Why am I shuffling? And then call. Battle phase?
Yep.
17 Vanguard.
No guard. Oh, is it rear guard?
Rear guard.
Yeah, no guard. Draw trigger, all effects Vanguard, and I draw.
20 Vanguard.
No guard.
Check. No trigger.
Damage check. Crit, all effects.
Pass.
Okay. Draw for turn. Ride Steam Scare Urkob. Urkob's skill. I will counterblast 1 and discard a card from my hand. And my Vanguard gets drive +1. So we're gonna swing for 10k twin drive.
No guard.
Alright. First check. Second check, no triggers.
Damage check, draw trigger, power Vanguard, draw card. Stand and
Alright,
draw.
that's the end of my turn.
Right ferret. Force 2. Soul Blast 1. Find clear. For triple drive. No. This is not going to hit.
Okay.
This is going to be 17 Vanguard.
17 Vanguard. No guard. No trigger.
This is going to be 23 Vanguard, counterblast 1, bounce 2, superior call, effect, so 23 triple drive with a crit.
60.
Over trigger to pass.
Yep.
First check. Second check, heal trigger, power to clear. Third check, heal trigger, power to clear.
Yep.
48.
48. No guard. No trigger.
Pass the turn.
Stand and draw. Ride Chronojet. Imaginary gift. Force 1. Chronojet skill. Discard a grade 3 or greater to stride. Or to... Wait, hold on.
I am a grade 3.
Oh, yeah. That's funny. Discard for stride.
You should stride.
History build dragon?
Yep.
Call Melum. Actually, thinking phase.
We'll let you think.
Grogrock dragon? Call. 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 Call.
Mm-hmm.
Skill. Counterblast 1 and discard Chronotooth Tiger. And my Vanguard gets drive +1 until end of turn.
Mm-hmm.
Chronotooth Tiger's skill. Counterblast 1. I draw a card and it gets called the Rear's Rest.
Mm-hmm. Alright, for the viewers watching's pleasure, we will ask our guest here a very good question. How do you feel about the Heel Guardians being reprinted?
I feel like it was a very necessary thing that needed to happen.
Yep.
Without that, I feel like it would just be too much of a gatekeeper to the game.
Yep, for example, like some clans, like Shadow Paladin, Bermuda, they're like $8. People can't afford that.
Right. Alright. Let's go 21, 25 face.
No guard.
Okay, Melum skill. Return to deck, call a grade 0 as rest.
Mm-hmm. No
Attack.
Guard.
Quad drive.
Yep.
First check, heal trigger. I do heal. Thinking phase. Heal Ribble. Power to Urkab.
Mm-hmm.
Second check, no trigger. Third check, no trigger. Final check, critical trigger. Critical the Vanguard, power to Urkab.
Critical. Power of Vanguard. No trigger.
Okay. Grogrock skill. Counterblast 1 and bind 4 rearguards. To Superior Ride from deck. I return this to the G-Zone face up to ride a grade 3 or greater. Ride Chrono Dragon next stage.
Mm-hmm.
It gets drive -1. Erwitar number 1 skill.
Yep.
Bottom deck, draw 2. Put back 1. And shuffle. Erwitar number 2 skill, bottom deck, draw 2, put back 1, and shuffle. Erwitar number 3 skill, bottom deck, draw 2, put back 1, and shuffle. Alright, so this is going to be swinging for 15k, 1 drive.
None to pass.
Okay. Drive check. No trigger. Alright, skill of next stage. I discard 2 from hand. Thinking. Discard a Ribble and another Ribble. I retire this unit and ride Chronojet Dragon as stand. I gain an imaginary gift force. Ribble number 1 skill. Soul Blast. Soul Blast 1. Call it to rear. It gains plus 5k power, and I put a card on bottom deck and draw a card. Ribble number 2 skill. Soul Blast 1. 1 second. Soul Blast 1. Call to rear. Gets plus 5k power. And then I choose a normal unit, put it on bottom deck, and draw a card. Okay. So we're gonna swing for 23 Vanguard.
That's not that bad. Card for 5.
Okay. 23 Vanguard Twin Drive.
Generation Guard. Oh, I'm not even at GB. Alright. Leona. Bounce a unit. So this is 2338.
Okay. So 2 pass.
2 pass.
Alright. First check, heal trigger. I don't heal. We will give all effects to Steam Scare or Urcab. Second check, no trigger. Swing. This is going to be 10, 20, 30, 40.
Generation Guard.
53.
Sandy. So shield plus 5 for every card in my hand, so every 2 cards, so 15, so 30, 40, 53, 58.
Okay.
Stand.
And that will conclude my turn.
Roll. Proceed to Prism Riviere. Discard. You draw 2 cards. Strike. Eltruda. Call. Vanguard.
Guard with 10k?
18 Vanguard with a critical.
Intercept and guard.
28
23.
28 Critical Vanguard effect. Discard 3 cards from my hand to bounce my board. Call 2.
Yep.
28 critical.
PG. Discarding Melon.
First check, critical. All effects of Selena. Counterblast. Soul Blast. Stand. 19 crit. 19 3 crit.
19.
Mm-hmm.
Generation Guard. Uluru.
Mm-hmm.
Uluru's skill, I bottom deck a trigger unit and a normal unit.
Boom!
Trigger unit and a normal unit. That's enough.
13 Vanguard effect to bounce and recall.
13, you said?
13.
Generation Guard. Hetero Round. Hetero Round skill. Soul Blast 1. And bounce your back row. Actually, no. Bounce the front row rear guard.
So you're taking the chance to make sure that I can potentially not hit.
Yeah.
Alright. Flip. She's back.
Yeah.
So there's a how much to
Alright.
pass?
So this is a 15k guard, so we're
28.
looking at 28.
2 to pass.
2 to pass.
Discard 2 to superior right. $19 Vanguard with a critical.
No guard. First check, critical trigger, all effects Vanguard. Second check, heal trigger, all effects Vanguard, and I do heal.
Alright. 13 critical Vanguard over trigger to hit.
No guard.
All effects Selena.
Yep.
Selena will attack Ribble.
No guard.
Pass the turn.
My turn?
Your turn.
Stand in the draw. Ride Chronojet. Imaginary Gift Force 1. Discard for Stride. History Build Dragon. Call. Actually thinking. Call and call. Call Erwitar. Attack 21, 26.
No guard. Draw trigger. Power draw.
Okay. Skill of TikTok Worker first. It goes into Soul. And I Time Leap Melon. Melon skill, I still get to call a grade 0 as rest. Call History Maker Dragon. Call Irwitar. Attack Vanguard, skill, Counterblast 1, and Time Leap. Melon. So actually 12 boosted, 12 plus 8 is going to be 20k Vanguard.
23.
Oh, I'm not going to boost them, doesn't matter. Swing, this is going to be 21. Oh, wait. Oh, never mind, it's too late. 21 Vanguard.
No guard. No guard.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't hit. Return to deck, call grade 0 as rest. Attack with History Build. History Build skill. Soul Blast 1. Turn something in the G zone face up. And Time Leap as many as I have face up. I have currently 4 face up, so I can Time Leap my entire board. I will choose to Time Leap 3. So I get a grade 3 and 2 grade 1s. Call Tickaway Dragon. Call Mellow Amusement Colossus. Tickaway Dragon's skill will activate afterwards, and then I will call Chronotooth Tiger. Tickaway Dragon's skill, I get to bottom deck 2 cards from my drop zone. Bottom deck the over trigger and bottom deck a critical trigger. Mellow Amusement Colossus' skill. Bind from hand and you must guard with 2 or more at the same time. Irwitar number 1 skill. Bottom deck. Draw 2. Put 1 back. And shuffle. Irwitar number 2 skill. Bottom deck. Draw 2. Put 1 back. And shuffle. So this is going to be swinging for, this has +3 on it.
Generation guard.
So 28, 38, 48, 49, 50, 51.
Sandy. 2. Shield plus 15. So I'm at 53. 68.
68 to my, how much was it again?
Should
28, 48. 51, so 2 to pass?
2 to pass, go for it.
Alright. First check, critical trigger. All effects Vanguard. Second check, Stand trigger. I was at how much again?
It's still 5k to hit right now.
Okay, so I still need 5k to pass, right?
Yep.
All effects to Colossus. Final check. No trigger. So 18 plus 8, 18, 20, 26 Vanguard.
Card.
Card. Turn end.
Draw.
I gotta do some untimed leaping shenanigans first. Hold on.
Afterwards, cards in hand.
Pardon?
Cards in hand afterwards.
Give me a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I can shall make a lethal. $28 crit. Ammunition on that.
28 crit.
Yep. Hold up.
33.
On placement.
1.
On placement of critical. Cause
Pardon?
this is on placement of critical. Cause this is important. Because it's ballerina.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we'll discard.
$28. 33.
Still one to pass.
Mom said keep your voice down, so some of us are going to bed.
Alright, we'll do this. All effects Vanguard.
Yep.
3 damage.
First check. Second check, no trigger. That's game.
Alright.